Hi, this is Aurora LED Systems. I'm Jeff Saviano, exhibiting in InfoComm 2024, and we're happy to show our new stock product, the Blazer Series panel. We're showing the 2.6 millimeter version here, but we also stock a 3.9 millimeter version. And what we've tried to do here is have a good dual-use panel that is good for touring and staging and production, for ground support, for hanging. You can see in this case we've used the hanging bars as ground support. They have adjustable feet and plates that bolt on the front and back to help with both alignment and leveling, and also the straightness of the support or hanging line. So very easy to use, and they fit 10 per case, including the accessory cables and brackets. But it also can be used entirely for installation. It is wall mount friendly, so all you have to do is release a couple thumb screws on a module, and it is now entirely front serviceable, wall mountable via simple off-the-shelf channel strut. Normally we recommend 1 5/8 inch. It's running off the Magn image receiving card system, and with the new high efficiency control system in this receiving card and the Mach series processor, you can control up to 2.2 million pixels per port instead of the typical 650,000. So this whole screen at a nearly 1080p resolution is being run off a single Cat6 cable. And we would love to be able to share more information with it. And our web address, it's kind of a long temporary one, is sites.google.com/AuroraLEDsystems.com/AuroraLEDsystems/home. Thank you very much.